But I'm curious, sometimes you've used the name Ying.
Mm-hmm.
Where does that come from?
Oh, that comes from my parents called me Yingele. And then when I got to be a little bit bigger than that, my mother'd lean out of the window when I was playing out, in the street. And maybe she'd say Yingele, or eventually Ying. And it caught on, and that stuck to everybody calls me Ying. See, Isaac is a strange name. I think it turns out there is a relative, my grandfather, whose name was Isaac. But I think my parents never wanted, I think Asher or something they wanted to call me. But, somewhere along the line, my father remembered that his father's name is Isaac, and that would do, because Asher was having trouble being sold at school. It didn't sound like a familiar name. So it was really, I was named when I first went to school. The parents came up with a few names from the background and history, and some school teacher said, well, let's call him Isaac.